Hey guys, welcome back to the Freedom Income channels, and thanks for following, thanks for your loyalty. So in this video I wanted to share with you my Discord group and also how you can trade along with me and profit in your trading in 2023 and ongoing. Okay, so first of all, just want to say the Freedom Income Discord group, which is completely free to join. I'll include a link. If you go onto Discord, you can actually search it as Freedom Income right there, and this is the logo right there. And it's free to join. And there's quite a lot of good free material. And if you were to actually contact me and ask me questions, I'll share with you a lot of things for free anyway. And if should you want to, you can then purchase private lessons, or there's a paid alert group. Okay, and if I'm being honest, with the paid alert group, it's only £25 per month. And it's completely free for the first month, right? Anybody can join. I'll let you in for 1 month for free just to follow the alerts, just to see it. I'm confident it will make money. I'm confident in the alerts, which is why I give everybody 1 month free to test it, right? So you have no risk, you have nothing, no downside, right? For the first month. After that, it's only £25 a month. But some of the results we've been getting, right? DocuSign, that was a winner, right? The one before that, which I mentioned in chat, which was CLF, that was a winner, right? Now, MU looks like it's going to be a winner, but it hasn't expired yet. We've still got 5 more days to come. We'll see what happens. And the most recent one's GSK. Stock alerts, literally there was 1 break even, 2 hasn't moved much. Everything else was a winner so far. Typically I give 2 to 3 stock alerts on a weekly basis, and I give 1 options alert on a weekly basis. AAL was a massive winner. AAL, I gave it when I was at 1360, 1370 range right there, and it pumped all the way up there to nearly 17. In fact, above 17 to like 1760 actually. So that's that. That was a bigger winner, but everything else was a winner as well. eBay, Peloton, they all sort of pumped a bit. A couple of them, like CPE, I've just alerted. GBTC hasn't really moved much at all. And we got out of one of them, I think it was IMTI or something, which was a break even. Okay, yeah, IMXI, which was a break even. Okay, sports betting. Now, I have to say, the safest, in my opinion, is the options alert. So I would invest big in that. I would invest medium with stock alerts because that's medium risk. And the sports betting, I'll probably go small with that because nature of sports betting, typically you do need some luck in order to win those bets. Although if you do the free bets and get the free bets from the bookies, is actually guaranteed profits. So it just depends on which ones you prefer. So even out of that, if you look at it, every week's been a winner. Out of those 3, 2 were winners. 1 was a loser, which was week 1. Out of those 4, 2 were losers, 1 was a winner, 1 game got cancelled. But however, I also gave a Trixie alert. Trixies, if you win all 3, you get massive ROI. It was over 400% ROI on that 1 Trixie bet alone. And this week so far, this was a winner, this was a winner, and this Trixie bet, the 2 of them's already winners, which means you've won the Trixie already. But if the 3rd one wins as well, you win again a massive ROI. So everything's been going fantastic actually in those alert groups, right? Again, free for the first month, £25 a month thereafter, right? And which is, I'm telling you, for all this value and all this, you can bring in an income consistently on a monthly basis with my alerts. And for £25 a month, an investment of £25 a month, which can make you either hundreds or thousands of pounds per month, depending on capital available, of course, is a no-brainer in my opinion. And if you should you wish, there's also private lessons and stuff, so on. Private lessons, literally, I only charge £50 an hour, right? And you can buy blocks of 3 or blocks of 5 for cheaper at a discount, okay? And I think for the value that I can provide with these things, if you've never traded the markets before, you've never done real estate, or if you're just getting into it, right? The value I can provide and the amount of money that I can save you from losing by guessing around in the markets, it is way worth it for £50 an hour. It is cheap as chips, if I'm being honest with you. And I think I'm undervaluing myself by charging you this amount of money. And the reason I want to do it is because I genuinely want to help people in a genuine way, and I love working with people, right? And some of you have been attacking me and says, why don't you do, why you the only reason you're charging is to try and make an income. Why don't you do it for free? All this, that some of you have been attacking me, right? Here's the thing. I don't really care you attack me or not. Here's the genuine thing is, the truth is, I genuinely make most of my money from what my mouth says, right? Which is from real estate and trading. These two make me the best living and the most amount of income for me as a person. I also do a few side hustles, okay? And I only try and share genuine stuff with you, right? This guy, for example, right? He's been swearing, he's been negative, he's been attacking me and all this, all that, right? Here's the thing: if you are a a scammer. No questions asked. I'll kick you out just like that, right? Zero questions. But if you're just sort of not sure and then you're attacking me a little bit, I haven't even kicked this guy out yet, right? I would possibly try and influence you or try and guide you, right? And if you still don't change, you're still going to attack me after that, then no choice, boom, you're out. Because really, at the end of the day, I really don't need you, right? I actually think I have more to offer here for the price I'm offering than you can offer me if you have limited experience or no experience in the trading markets or in investment, right? So one of the other things I do is real estate investing, right? I have a 7-figure real estate portfolio, okay, and which is growing on an annual basis, right? I make money good from BRR, from adding value to property, passive income from the property onwards, and so on, right? Revamp the property. I have the whole team. I have a whole team of mortgage brokers, builders. I have two great teams of builders, very competitive price, very fast at their work, and very professional, very sharp. Mortgage broker. I have two mortgage brokers which are fantastic at finding me lending from a bridging perspective as well as lending perspective on a mortgage. And I have a great estate agent, and I have great sort of plumbers, builders, all sorts. I have the whole solicitor. I have a brilliant solicitor who acts very fast and a good price, right? So I have a whole team ready, and that team, power team there, is highly valuable from a property investor's perspective. And if you're new to properties, you're not going to have that, and I can recommend that to you. Should you need it, and should you be in the right position to utilize it, okay? Because I'm not just going to give them to anybody, right? It's got to be the right people. Here's the thing, right? Those of you who, well, even on TikTok and stuff, so recently I've started sort of promoting myself on content creation, TikTok and YouTube, etc. Okay, so I'm actually still like not fully recovered from this COVID thing, which has been really bad. It's actually affecting me a little bit. You know, brain's a little bit slow. I find I'm just a bit more tired than usual. My energy's not as high. This bloody COVID thing is awful. I don't know what it is. It's taking a month, and I'm still not fully recovered. It's ridiculous. But anyway, here's the thing. Let me just show you. If you want to go out there and learn real estate, okay, let me just show you. This is Property Investors Network. Their 3-day course. 3-day course, okay? 3 days. Okay, to learn from them about property investing for 3 days. It's going to cost you £3,000, okay? 3K, okay? That's just one of them. Let's have a look at another one. Let's look at Touchstone Education. Okay, let's have a look. If you want to do their proper Wealth Academy, right? It's going to cost you 20K, okay? Right, plus VAT, so like 20K, okay? If you do one of their simpler courses, like any of them, let's say property investing individual course, right? Each individual course is going to cost you 1K, right? £1,000. So to gain knowledge in property investment, it's going to cost you a minimum £1,000 just to learn one area of the properties, right? And it can cost a maximum of literally 40, 50, or even 60K. I've seen courses out there selling for 40, 50, 60K, right? Which means you're one property down right away, or if you're using mortgage, you're probably even 2 properties down right away, which is not really a right thing. Right? This is what they charge, and if I'm being honest, this is one thing I do not like about these so-called gurus that charge crazy prices and promising that they're trying to help you, but they're just taking a lot of your money away, right? Now, if you compare that with what I'm offering here on the private less sessions, right? I literally teach you private one-to-one in properties should you wish to, or trading, right? And we're talking £50 an hour. You do the math, £50 or 1,000 or £50 or 20K, right? I know that these people probably have more to offer, but if I'm being honest, I've invested more than 10K in my trading and investment and property investment knowledge over the last few years, right? And I have the right knowledge and I have the right experience now after doing it for several years and built up a 7-figure portfolio. So my real estate portfolio is growing every year. It's more than £1 million at the moment, right? And it's only going to grow faster from here. So that's that, right? So here's the thing. Is it worth investing £25 a month in the alert section, but you're going to make hundreds of thousands out of it, right? Is it worth investing £50 for the hour, but it's going to save you thousands and not tens of thousands, and it's going to make you tens of thousands faster than you would just by guessing the market, right? And this is the truth. And why do I charge? Here's the thing. I have to pay for my own investments, right? I have to pay for systems which enhances my win rate when it comes to trading, right? And I have to spend a lot of time in researching the right stock, which ensures that high win rate. Isn't that worth something, right? I'm charging pennies, like cheap as chips, for what I'm offering, because I genuinely do want to help people, and I mean it. And, you know, and I genuinely love working with people. You know, I was in the restaurant trade in the past, so I typically like working with people. I typically quite enjoy, well, working with nice people anyway. If you're not nice, boom, like, it doesn't matter who you are, you're rich, you're poor, whatever you are. You know, you're rich, you're poor, you're boy, you're girl, you're trans, you're gay, you're lesbian. It doesn't matter who you are. If you're nice, I accept you. I'm going to help you. If you're not nice, just get lost. I don't care. Okay? So that's that. I've pretty much made that video. I speak from my gut, I speak from my heart, and I mean what I say, and this is all the truth. You come over, join for 1 month. It's completely free for the first month. You are going to make hundreds, if not thousands of pounds if you have the capital. Even if you just have a couple of thousand, you're going to make hundreds anyway in a month. So it's just worth £25 investment, in my opinion. And why should it be completely free anyway? If I'm spending a lot of time doing the research, if I'm spending my own money on my own education enhancement, I'm spending money on systems which enhances the win rate for you guys, why shouldn't I be able to charge just a little bit? £25 a month. There is no group out there that charges that little bit for this much value. I guarantee you, and I say it with confidence. I've done my research. Private lessons as well, like I've just shown you with the property side of things. We're talking minimum £1,000 square course to what I've just shown you there is 20k, but there's ones that's worth more than that, right? For £50 an hour is a joke, right? The amount of money I'm charging, but I don't mind undervalue myself in order to genuinely help people, because I want to, and I like and enjoy working with people, the right people, and that's that. Okay, so anyway, come over to the Freedom Income Discord group. I'll include the link, and if you like it, follow along, follow the alerts. You know, if you want, do like one-to-one sessions with me as well, or you can do a block, do whatever. And I guarantee you, if you have limited experience or no experience in either trading the financial market or real estate, I guarantee you what I can offer you will help you save a lot of money and make a lot of money. All right, guys, happy living, happy trading, and happy investing.